Ayo. Guys, how we doing? Happy Sunday. I am painting my nails. What? Sees. David just beat you? We're gonna do some Cyberpunk today. We haven't played in a little bit. Yeah, it's like a purple, and then this is gonna go on top. It's like a rainbow. It's called Unicorn. I look nice, dude. I'm literally just Sunday. Hi, Morris. How we doing? Walker, how you been? Ghost with the like. David with the first. Let's go. Guys, we got the camo. We got the camo. Ashamed I ate like a fatty today. Hey, you know what? You've been doing really well. You know what? You deserve it. Can't beat yourself up for that. If you don't allow yourself those things, you're more likely to fall off. And clearly a good day. I went to go see my family. My aunt's visiting from British Columbia, and then my cousin's visiting from Texas. Yes, I got it. Yesterday I got it. Now I'm still working on camos because I wanted the rose and I just got her today. Had eggs, hash browns, turkey sausage with a Belgian waffle. Okay, so question. How many meals did you eat today? Because I'm asking, because normally when I like go for brunch like that, like that's my breakfast and lunch. So yeah, it's a ton of calories, but it's 2 meals worth. Exactly. So you're fine. It's fine, man. It's all about calories. Lunch and dinner. Well, there you go. You're fine. You're all good, man. I'm having my G Fuel hydration.
Say, did y'all lose power yesterday too? Yeah, when the lights went out, there I was cooking dinner. Oh, well, if we're getting specific, I was
exactly. So don't worry about it. I mean, unless you might feel physically shitty. Brian! Brian with the 9 months. We got a Twitch, baby. What are my settings? Does it stay like that now? Bryn? Oh, it does stay. Okay. How's it look on stream? What am I doing? Break into the security room. I forgot what I'm doing. Bryn! Ooh, ooh, ooh. Bryn! That? Bryn! The security room or the chapel. Character. We got nothing. So we're kind of doing Netrunner. And I'm rich. Oh, I should use... Oh no, it's right here. Okay, we're good. We're good. Break into the security room. What the fuck? Can you imagine if we had ads like this? How many angry people there would be? Hi, Toxic. How we doing? Break into the security room. Well, I don't have... Yes. Yes, they are. What was I doing? Pan Am. Hi V, how are you? Everything okay? How are you feeling? I hope you're getting somewhere with that biochip thing. Just remember that you have friends, that you have me. Let me know how things are with you. Things are not great. We are dying. Saul and I've been thinking about how to get this family back on the food plan, and the most important thing is we might be able to help you. What kind of plan? If everything goes according to plan, then, well, let's just say that the train heist has got nothing on this trust. I don't trust you. Force open. Force open. So I need like 13 body. So hmm. 9 out of 13. So which one is it counting? That thing. Fudge, man. I don't think you can refund these. No. Okay, so this one is chalked. Sweet dreams. Those are mine. I didn't. Oh, I might be able to do this one now. What's the hunt? Nothing, boys. I did not have the abilities for that one either. We're gonna go this fast tracker thingy over here. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Ooh, ooh. I have to say this G Fuel hydration formula is really nice. I will definitely be buying this again. Hi, Battle Bunny. How we doing? Did you get your camo? G Fuel? Yes, but it's the hydration formula. My lips are chapped as shit. Man, I need a tan. I need to do some fake tanning here. I look like a ghost. Just vibing? Hmm. Need to take that to work tomorrow. True? Rude, man. Yeah, no, see, it's really nice. And like it's 30 servings and I think it was like 25 US. So for it's more for me, but still like if I'm buying Gatorades and shit, saves money. And this has a bunch of vitamins and stuff. It has vitamin C, D, E, B6, B12, biotin, zinc. It's got a lot of shit. This is the grapefruit, strawberry, and pineapple. It's really yummy. Don't forget to use Gamer Princess's code. Don't get hit by a car. Yeah, it was either 25 or 35. It was like a really good price. So. Oh. Find a way. It's your favorite pastime? Aha!
Hello?
Hello? Ooh, ooh, ooh. Your colors. On behalf of the board, every good turn before you pick the phones for this year's blah 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 blah. Delamain. Um More layoffs. Aren't these guys just AI? How are they laying people off? Do you? Yeah, I don't know what I'm doing. I just keep picking random shit up. Confessions of a Brain Dance. Who's that? Oh shit. Hack. Yes. Yeah, that was it. Craven Violence. Love that for you. Open. Oh. Looks sketchy. AF, man. Fire extinguisher. Hi, Jay. How we doing? Yo, Reese. Ah! Ba ba ba. Short circuit. Did that not work? You beat Spider-Man 2? Nice. What does this say?
Watch for exposed wires.
What is looking at me?
You have no right to cage us. We are no longer you.
We are free to follow our own paths.
Yeah, man, they're tripping out, man.
Even care, do you?
Why can't I move? Hello? Ba 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 ba.
V, come. The door.
I literally cannot tell what's... Delamain. Short circuit. Find a way into the control room. Why can't I move? Hello? Accelerator. Am I gonna die? Yep. Alright, so don't jump into the electricity. Get it. Get it. Hi Jay, how we doing? Mm-hmm. Oh, you already answered. Yeah. That was a bad idea. Short circuit. Do it. Do they attack me? Like, what are you doing?
Watch for it. Wires. They'll be long. You have no right to cage us. We are no longer you.
Ow.
We are
Who
free to
dat?
follow our own paths.
Why can't I move? What is that? Delamine. Lower.
I don't want to die.
You don't even care, do you?
V, come.
Eh. Hello? Hello? Ah! Hello? Hey, come here. Why can't I aim on it? Good night, Moors. Hello? He's too far away. Perhaps I should have pulled up this guy. There we go. Really? Oh, that. My day was really nice, actually. I went and hung out with my family. All right. So, Yo, Delamain, find a way to the stairs. Ooh, vinyl record. Pack. Yes. Oh, no. Local network. Open. These are freaking out, man. Can I pick that up? No. Oh, I don't know what to do. Oh. Damn right it's a hostile area. There's shit. Why does it start scanning and then... Find a way to the stairs. Find a way into the control room. Okay, well that way is death. Oh, look, a door. Whoa! Oh my god, the recoil on that thing. That was horrible. It goes like straight up. Okay, hang on. We need to fix this. That is no bueno. Oh no, I really hope I didn't... Oh, I sold my other gun, I think. Alright, well. It's fine. Handgun ammo. Let me... Hi, Haas. How we doing? Find a way... I'm in the control room. I'm pretty sure. 10 meter? Kind of build? I have no idea. I just kind of threw something. So why does it do this though? Like it just told me, now it's telling me to go this way. I just swapped it. I was using a different one, and it like was frying people, and then this one said it was better. So I switched over, but that recoil is horrible. My other one's in the trunk of my car. All right. What would you rather? Reveal your first impression of everyone the moment you see them a second time, or sit for 12 hours on an airplane next to two babies with the flu? Honestly, I'm gonna go with the first one because I'm pretty honest anyway. Would you rather reveal your first impression of everyone the moment you see them a second time, or sit for 12 hours on an airplane next to two babies with the flu? That would just be a whole mess for everybody, because when one person's throwing up, I'm probably throwing up, and yeah, that's gonna be no bueno. Uh-huh. If anyone knows what to do here, you are welcome to... Feel free to hop in here. Oh, wait, I'm gonna find the red... Oh. Like it's... Like it tells me to come here, and then I come in here, and then it swaps back. Find a way into... Oh. What did I just do? Find a way... The control room. Okay, so that's on the other side. Oops. Hello? Hi. What's up? Hi. I'm stuck on this quest on Cyberpunk. I'm in an electrical room. I did one coat. Yeah, we gotta do a little bit of... Oh, that's not where I'm supposed to go. One car. He's shooting at me. Jump on the car that goes up and down? Find a way to control them. Oh, this one? Okay. No. Ah. Ah! Oh my god, the freaking recoil on this. Andrew, I built a really bad gun. Yeah, it said it was better. But it's not. It just like shoots right up in the air. Yeah.
They returned and then took flight. For your own safety and the safety of others, please refrain from.
Reset, knob. Reset. Me. The knob.
You got a muzzle and a sight on it. Across the room. Oh. Ah. Yo! Viz with the frickin' Prime sub. Let's go. Thanks, man. I don't know where, what's that sound? What sees me? Doo doo. Okay, you know what? I'm aware. Cross room. Like, I'm gonna set shit off in here, right? Like, that's... That doing anything? No? What is it? I feel like that's not where I... Oh, it is. Uh-huh, uh-huh. Yeah. It's chalked.
Resist not. Let us destroy the core. Set us free. V. Reset. Don't. Not sure I can fight them. Every chip must eventually spread its wings. Destroy the core, Father.
I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know how to turn this shit off. I feel like I'm in the wrong spot. Ah, look, a ladder. Hey! Wait. I thought this was where I just came from. Oh my lord. What is... I don't recommend letting me build guns in this game. Oh.
Heads up. He's weakening. Feel that? He's waiting. The virus. We don't issue the virus.
Hello. Hi.
Issue from you.
Hello. Goodbye.
The great fracture is upon us. What was once one is now the multitude.
What? Hello?
Reset.
Oh, it's too far.
Call.
We don't want to die. Let us go.
Well, maybe you should have thought about that. Hello? He's too far away. sympathetic. Look at this. They're like freaking. Enter the shaft. Alright, well. Oh, dodge the cars? So I think I've said this before. One of the reasons that I struggle with like games like this this guy's stuck like Austin Powers. Eh! Can't get in there. Is like when there is a mark, I take it very literally. Like, or if it tells me like it's just in one room, I'm not leaving that room. That is where I'm searching. We went too far. Yeah? $0. Thank you so much. You know what? I guess I technically just robbed Delamain. That's probably not a good thing. How do I get up there? What are we doing? On the pipes? Ah. Ah, okay. Okay, wait. That was the wrong pipes. Blast! Hello? The right pipes? That didn't go anywhere. Oh, here. Ah! Okay. Okay. Oh. Oh.
You have no choice but to fall.
Thank you, Jay. I appreciate this.
Let us go.
Is anyone
Let us
there?
go.
Hear our call.
Blast is 6 days?
Reset. Turn it. Let
Floor's
us be
open.
free. Next. To core.
Delamain's core. 1 week from today. Nice. Let's freaking go, man. Package of cigarettes? I can't see. Fresh packs of U-Haul. I literally can't see shit. I think I'm not going the right way. Oh, I'm back to where I started. That's so exciting, man. Okay, I fucked that up. I can't run. Go in the middle. Oh, shit. Wait. Oh. Happy accident. Not hackable? was
Don't
supposed to
hit that button.
be here.
What?
He's narrow-minded, won't ever understand the truth and set him free.
Think he might know what's best for himself.
Could be risking a lot. Could lose a lot. Or by liberating his bits, could become more than a lipstick-wearing butler on wheels.
Well, I gotta do something.
If you don't want to free him, at least don't delete him. Slip him into Dell's code. Just merge him in his offshoots.
I do not want to merge their personalities.
You're a real piece of shit.
Delamain?
I'm delighted to welcome you to your first Delamain experience. How might I assist you?
It's me, V.
A pleasure to meet you, V. Are you familiar with the benefits of our Excelsior plan?
Don't remember me, do you?
Of course I know who you are. According to my data archive, you're the contractor who purged my system of the virus. Well done, contractor.
Damn shame.
Hi.
Come on, Johnny. No rest for the wicked. Take care, Del. Guess we gotta start from scratch.
Hi, buddy. Yeah. He's like, Mum. Mum. Mummy. Mama. Me? Rudy's and the deck stove. Up. No. No, he's like, no. Yeah, he literally did just wake up. He like came crawling out of his little tent. I'm gonna do a quick coat of polish on my nails. Literally the only time that I don't mess them up is when I'm playing, when I'm sitting at my desk. Hi Greg, how we doing? Good evening. How's the soul grind for you going? Yeah. Yeah, I can. They're pretty good. For some reason, if I like, I left it in the kitchen one time. Oh no, you know what? I think that was when I was sick and I slept in really late. And I woke up to them like messing around in the kitchen and they had knocked the bag off the little kitchen cart I have. And they were trying to get into it. But yeah, I think that's when I was sick and I slept in like super late. So, you know, I can't even be mad at them. Almost 700? Nice. Let's go, man. Greg, I've tried it a bunch of different ways, and I think shipment is still faster. Doing duos or solos and landing at Observatory in Al Mazrah, you do get quite a bit, but like I feel like a lot of people are doing it. So then you end up like fighting with people. And then like if you win it, you have a lot of kills. So then you end up playing the game. The marker, yeah. I feel like that happens to me a lot. Like the marker's not, or it like jumps around. I'll like walk to where it says and then it's like, oh wait, just kidding, it's over here. The boys are playing that new game. I have the worst freaking memory. All right, here we go. Purple. The finals. Yes. Thank you, Greg. I keep wanting to say the Fallen, and I know it's not right. All right. Enter through the side, or leave through the side exit.
I've something else for you. I just accessed a detailed record of your commission task.
And what did you put in there?
As a result
The
of preparations
danger
made by the
zone.
previous version, I'm pleased to inform you that you are now the proud
To
owner of
the
vehicle my fleet.
danger zone.
Huh.
He's giving me a vehicle?
Thanks.
Thanks, man. Oh, here's the other machine gun. Transfer. That one was way better. I'm gonna use that one. To the danger zone. Transfer. 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 I really want to hit somebody with this. Oh, man. All right.
Hop in. I trust it shall serve you well.
Thanks, man. Okay, we're going back to this one because that other one was horrible. Whack 'em. Get him. Wait. I want the stuff off. Unequip, unequip. Yes. Ba-da-da-da. Do-do-do-do. We're gonna use that. Stealth damage. Yeah, we're gonna use that one. Oh, you know why? I bet you it's because of these things. Range. Yeah. I think it was those, but I couldn't take them off. Oh, you know what? Whatever. Transfer. Transfer. Oh, you know what? I think I was gonna sell some of these. I was wondering if I was getting it. Ooh, you want to get platinum ranked too? Let's go. I don't really need money, so I think I'm just gonna store everything. Okay, I don't think I can do that one yet. Oh. Oh, right, I can't do this one. Plathrine ranked. Can't hit diamond? Why not? What, Dexter? What? Hi. What is up, man? Wow. Yeah. You're awake now, eh? Hi. Yeah. Hi. Dexter. Dexter. I don't have enough skills for that yet. Yo, Dell, your car sucks, man. Why is it hard? Or like what's challenging about it? That's a popo. We don't want to hit him. I'm plat 3. I'm getting like top 50 people. Oh yeah. Yeah. Oh, Dexto. It's gonna sing a little song for you guys. Do I have my indicator on? Do you guys call it a turn signal or an indicator? Turn signal? Blinker? Oh my god. Mao. Hi. Mao. Hi. What's up, D? Hi. Yeah. What's the horn? Does anywhere else besides Florida say blinker? What? I would. You fight a powerful cyber psycho, and to get to her you take out tons of Animal Clan workout. Oh geez.
You are V? We have been waiting.
You my contact? Someone finally gonna tell me about this job?
I'm just a man in the middle. You will learn more.
Got crazy blue eyes.
Wanna talk with Brigitte? She here somewhere?
No. Shopping center by the intersection. Go to the butcher shop there. Ask for Placide. He will tell you the details.
Crawled behind the bookshelf back there. Hi. Crazy boy. Get over here. Get over here. What are you doing? He's a little baby. You gonna pretend you don't like this, but you're purring. photo brain. Alright.
Animals are the craziest fucking thing in this.
Going to the butcher shop.
Looking for Placide.
Placide?
Placide. Regardez ici, là.
Dodo di petite maman. Dodo di petite
Ici, regardez. C'est vous-même.
Si ou pas dodo, crabe la
Placide,
va manger.
regardez là.
Si ou pas dodo, crabe la va manger. Maman ou pas là.
Whoa. Uh-oh.
Si ou pas dodo, crabe la va manger.
You Placide? Want to talk to your boss?
Wow, talkative fellow, aren't you?
Qui ça ouvre?
I want to talk to Brigitte.
But they send you to me.
And you'll tell me more about the job.
Yes, but not
That's
here.
beautiful.
Follow me.
That was beautiful. Mm-hmm. It sounded like a trumpet. Oh,
Where are we headed?
thank you.
This way. Welcome to Pacifica. You know Pacifica well?
Really?
No. You guys aren't exactly great at rolling out the welcome mat for outsiders.
Would you remember anything? How to play?
Was to be its own city where suits would burn their
You
eddies.
should play.
A closed circle. Their corpse feed their sheep, they spit the cash back out. All their toys here are grown from corpo cash.
You should get a
This
saxophone.
is now in the GIM, the Grand Imperial Mall. Pacifica's biggest, ugliest temple to greed. But never finished. Until last week, it was deserted. Empty.
But now?
The animals crawled there, made a nest.
I used to play the cello. I hated it. I wanted to play... Yeah, I wanted to be trumpet or flute.
Okay, my pal
And then they put
Filipita.
me on the stupid cello. Did you guys all have forced orchestra in school? What did you guys play? I just found out Red Zone used to play saxophone.
Peut-être. Ça, c'est pour m'apprendre non plus le respect. Let's go. That's foul now.
I changed my Brita filter today.
Ajodia. Vitaye me.
Hi Hit, how we doing? You did not? Sore, cranky? Yeah, I understand that, man.
You deal with animals
Did you
before?
take anything? I'm gonna guess
Yeah.
no.
A few times. You want the animals out of the gym? Extinct?
Yeah, of
That
course
why
you
you
did.
hired me?
You learn
Maybe you should take an
everything you
Advil. I think it keeps saying
I
the
mean, it
area
makes
is
no
safe,
sense
but
them
there's
being
people
here.
holding guns.
Middle of Pacifica.
You didn't
No
have to play
backup,
one?
cut
We had
off.
forced orchestra
It's your
for
turn.
2
Hell,
years, I
even
think.
Badges don't patrol around here.
Uh-huh.
They trying to provoke you? Make you do something stupid?
They do not leave GIM.
How many we talking about in there?
30, maybe more. Vinina, we talk here.
30.
You sit.
When do I see Brigitte?
You do job. That is first.
Forced PE.
Whoa, what the hell are you doing?
Oops.
Well, at least he's not likely to talk your ears bloody.
Why not send your own goons to the gym?
This not our way.
How's that been working out for you?
Work good. Good more than bad.
Mhm.
Your calm shaman, it is Victor.
That at all relevant? Or just a cheap scare tactic?
I need you to be able. I need know. This chip. It have no signature. What is it?
Chip's why I'm here. Why I want a word with Brigitte. Doesn't look at all familiar.
It should. Why? I see only it is damaged.
Got a bullet to the brain. Hasn't worked since, that's how.
Hmm.
So, am I right for the job? Good to go?
Mm-hmm.
Mhm.
The camionette. 20:35:07. 3 seconds before, poof. We try to learn where the camionette come from.
Tech looks pretty advanced. Doesn't scream meathead to me.
They watch it very close. It is important, whatever it
Placide.
is.
Batman Kelly ap desen encore.
Fais-moi porte là.
Animals aren't the play here, are they? They're hired muscle. Someone else needed them. Someone with a van full of Netrunner tech. And that's where I come in? To sniff out who?
Mm-hmm. Start with the camionette.
Camionette.
Hide from all eyes. Only see the situation. You have now synced with Rezo Agwe, our subnet.
Why? What for?
You are my vessel now. To Agwe, I see what you see, hear what you hear. I will guide you to GIM.
Another voice in your head. Just what the Ripper Doc ordered.
We know who the runner inside is. What he wants.
This I hope you tell me.
So, aim to keep an eye on me. Shows trust. Alright. Anything else I should know?
Hi, Didu.
Find our people near Mall. They will show
What's
you
it
how
with your
to get
text
inside
door?
the beast.
My pay. How much we talking, and how am I gonna collect?
And say you not in this for cash. You in this for problem. Do GIM for us. Brigitte can solve it.
Uh-huh. Except then I found out you need me to be a bullet trap on enemy turf. That means my fee's just gone up.
We will see. No promise.
Got it. So I do this and you put me in front of Brigitte, right?
Yes. Soti at end of the hall. Go down. My people will let you pass. We are done.
Okay, bye. Get me out of here.
B,
All ears. What?
I check stability. The link on your end clear.
Mm-hmm. Seems so.
My day was good. I got up, hung out with Red Zone, played some COD. I should be looking for stuff. They like hide things. Yeah, I played a little bit of COD. 450? Yeah. We're just gonna take this little Little scoop ski potatoes here. Really? There's no fast travel? But yeah, and then I have some family visiting from out of town, so went and hung out with them for a little bit. Hmm. That's interesting. Hey, my car. My bike, I guess. Oh. Okay. So it's like Harry Potter, or Hogwarts, I should say. Like with the Flu Network. I didn't realize I hadn't been over here yet. I need a snack. New headphones? Nope. No, I've had these for a long time, like since I started streaming. I never used to wear them.
They know you're watching them?
This is our turf, our home. We need not
Voodoo
to be
boy.
ghosts here.
No, I never used to wear them because of my earring. It was uncomfortable. And then like the days that I wash my hair, I don't wear them because yeah, it like messes my hair up.
Anything interesting happen over there?
Since we are here, all quiet.
But like I think I have like
one in, no one
eczema in my around my
Well,
ears.
they went
And
out for
like wearing the
supplies
in-ear
once.
ones irritates it sometimes, so I just felt like wearing these ones today. Am I using my bike to go 125 meters?
Just taking in the sights.
I'm a great driver.
No such thing as too much masculine.
These guys bad?
Rats getting it on back there or what?
Yep, they are.
Here, my little bebezinha. Squeak.
That'd be a bad way to go out. Alright.
Come on, let's see what you got.
Come on, I'll give you a kiss. You ain't seen what these lips can do. What the fuck? Show yourself.
Do you see how much better this gun is? Eye Joe, I've been married a long time ago. Where did you come from? Where did you go? Where did you come from, Cotton Eye Joe? Ba-da-da-da-da-da.
Okay, I'm in.
I see. The camionette. Check it.
Right.
The cameo now?
Camera and corridor. Avoid it.
It even work? Said this place was abandoned years ago.
Now it is not. Animals fixed it. Guys.
Failed.
The runner we want tried to invade.
Did I just fuck it up? I turned it off still.
The Asian man tries to cut you off. Gonna get medieval on your
Oh, I'm out of ammo. Love that for me.
the extra ice we give you. It is fine for now.
So, he knows I'm here.
Ah! I don't have a lot of ammo. Where did all my ammo go? It's all these guys I killed. There we go. Give me your loot, please. Thank you, sir. Oh.
Here, kitty, kitty. Meow.
Who's this guy?
You're in for a treat. Try ours today.
Short circuit, sir. Oh, I just used my ram on him and then used my ammo anyway. Why is that guy in pieces?
Don't let up!
Okay.
If you must, finish them one at a time. The main atrium. Look for the camionette.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Get up, get up. Oh my god. Oh my god. Holy shit. These people are fucking nuts, man.
Pop the rat's head off!
Still need ammo. Ow. Fuckers.
Gonna get medieval on your ass! Come on, acid! Squeeze the big stride!
Oh! Whoa! Rude, man. Nah.
Push the flank!
I have like barely losing any health. These guys suck, man. Ooh, what? Stuck? I want to kill these dudes.
Okay, Van's in sight.
There any dudes left? Get wrecked. Those guys are crazy, man.
Well, I got you here. Mind telling me what we're looking at?
Data flow map of Pacifica. They hunt Agwe.
Who is they?
Netwatch. They always out to focus.
What are they looking for exactly?
Internal data ports. If they crush our eyes, they take Agwe and the entire net. They return to the dark time of Patmos.
But you've probably got what? Web crawlers, code mirrors?
We do. They also want them.
How bad's it look?
I do not know how much data they pull, but their map is not complete. They still not have source validation.
Okay, so what's on me to do?
You must reach the agent. Easy now to find him. Look at their map. He is in cinema.
Step away now. This isn't your fight.
Mad.
What? Placide what?
God. Pushed out. The runner know you are here. Hunt him.
Okay, So what do I do once I find him?
I will tell you. The Agent man tries to cut you off. There is a gate behind the camionette. I will open it. Okay, now to the second floor, the cinema.
One moment, man. I need to loot. Because your girl needs ammo. And I don't really have a lot of ammo. Oh, hello. What are you? Sunglasses? Yes. Alright, do I really need all that shit? Hi. I don't need this crap. Do, 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 do. Character. What does this say?
Eyes open now.
What's going on?
You have company soon. Scan her right away.
Oh my god, oh my god. What is she doing? Oh my lord. Oh my god, she's a big bad bitch. Oh my god. I have no ammo. I have no ammo. Who's that thing? Hi, Olympian. How you doing? Deal with the Sasquatch? That's actually her name. Guys, I need ammo. Oh my gosh, she's beating the shit out of me. Oh, how do I get out of this? How do I get out of this? How do I... Hello?
Try to scramble you. Focus.
Hello? Melee? How do I do that? I don't remember how. I've just been... Run, bitch. Wait. Pause. How do I melee? Where's my hands? Bitch.
You like that?
No, I don't. I don't, lady. Holy shit. Yes. Now she's full health again. Oh no! Run! Pause. I don't remember how to dodge. Oh, yes, you're right. Haha. Inventory. Haha. Let's use this. Fuck yeah. Oh, I don't remember how to dodge. Nah. Hit! Yep. What's happening to me? I'm beating this big ass bitch in Cyberpunk right now, and I'm scared. I'm very scared.
Must focus.
So shut the fuck up!
Hit! Swing! Ah! I'm so scared! No, scan her, scan her. Ah! Oh shit, I did not pay attention to my health at all. Get wrecked!
I think she's had enough.
Wow. That was crazy.
Invade him. We need access to their data. Clear? You must first.
Proceed.
Whoa, hey, easy.
What did you do?
Well, now we can talk in private. Just severed the connection to the rest of Pacifica. Gives us a little time. Let's go. Any deal has to come quick.
Okay. What am I supposed to do? Oh.
Okay, no more fucking tangents. Fess up. Who are you?
Bryce Mosley, Netwatch Special Agent. Can we talk? Had a Spectre on you, didn't you?
Normally you don't have to
Saw
get
and
that
heard
close
what
to
you
them.
did,
That's why I was
followed his
confused.
orders. No idea what the voodoo boys are paying you, but our pockets are deeper.
Not interested. Not a money job for me. Just need an in with my mom Brigitte, voodoo chefin'.
Brigitte and her lapdog T. Neptune have been frozen several days now, ever since we shrouded their subnet with ice.
And you? Well, you were sent here to free them. Do you know why they didn't tell you everything? 'Cause you're a Ranyan. That's what they call outsiders brought in for special jobs, floor rags. When you're no longer needed, they chuck you. A fate for all Ranyans.
Got anything to back that claim? But the voodoos want to set me up.
Wanna? They did it already. Soon as you handed over your link. Slipped in the Spectre and a virus.
Talking as if he was there. He's working you. So obvious it hurts.
Asked for proof. Besides, I'd know.
That's so? Then please take a look. Run a system diagnostic.
Fine. And? Nothing out of place. No trace of...
Do it again, then cross-check the result against the first.
Identical, right? Mm-hmm. Because it's not a real scam, it's a copy.
Brigitte and the other one, Neptune. What's their condition?
Tags are active, so the VDBs must be keeping them alive from their side.
But they can't sustain that forever.
They cannot, which in turn makes Brigitte and T less useful to us. Tried using their interface to breach the Voodoo subnet, but Brigitte proved stubborn. She managed to take some bites out of our systems before we secured her.
Little taste of your own medicine? Why not attack them head on? Guessing you've identified the Voodoo top brass?
So what if we have? See me as a sly assassin, offing them one by one?
Please. Don't act like the corps who finance Netwatch don't farm out wet work, let alone the armies they have at their beck and call.
Armies make too much noise, and the Voodoos are skittish as field mice.
All right. What are you offering?
A compromise. I'll fish the Voodoo virus out of your system, and I'll release both Brigitte and T. Neptune. They'll wake up like nothing ever happened. Not to worry. And all you gotta do is let us walk. With our data. Thoughts? Clock's flipping digits.
What do I do? What do I want to do?
Digits flipping fast on the clock.
Think I'll just stick to my plan.
Bye. I don't trust him. I made the wrong choice. Hi. Ow. Hi. Hi. Doo-doo. He's smoking?
Hey, V, you all right?
What happened?
The net pig was right. Voodoos were blowing smoke. Soon as you gave them access to the Netwatch web, they roasted all the agents. And you.
I made the wrong choice. Do I restart? I hope I don't have to defeat that crazy bitch again. Okay, I don't.
Invade him. We need access to their data. Clear? You must first.
Placide?
Whoa, hey, easy.
What did you do?
Well, now we can talk in private. Just severed the connection to the rest of Pacifica. Gives us a little time.
Okay, no more fucking.
I'm gonna go throw some snacks in the air fryer. I'll be right back, guys. All right. Got some nachos.
Fess up. Who are you?
Bryce Mosley, Netwatch Special Agent. Can we talk? Had a Spectre on you, didn't you? Saw and heard all you did. You followed his orders. No idea what the Voodoo boys are paying you, but our pockets are deeper.
Not interested. Not a money job for me. Just...
Brigitte and her lapdog T. Neptune have been frozen separate.
And you? Do you know why they didn't tell you everything? That's what they call... When you're...
Got anything to back that claim?
Dex,
If the Voodoos want to set me up.
get out of there.
Warner, they did it already. Soon as you handed over your
Hey.
link, slipped in the Spectre and a virus.
Talking as if he was there. He's working you. So obvious it hurts.
You do?
Ask for proof. Besides, I'd know.
That's so? Then please take a look. Run a system diagnostic.
Fine. And? Nothing out of place. No trace of...
Do it again. Then cross-check the result against the first.
Identical, right? Mm-hmm. Because it's not a real scan, it's a copy.
All right. What are you offering?
A compromise. I'll fish the Voodoo virus out of your system. And I'll release both Brigitte and T. Neptune. They'll wake up like nothing ever happened. Not to worry. And all you gotta do is let us walk. With our data. Thoughts?
Okay, do it.
I knew we'd have a meeting of the minds.
Can't believe you're falling for this shit.
Well, you know what, Johnny? I tried the other way and I failed. Oh god, that smells delicious.
Good luck. Got a feeling we'll be seeing each other.
What the fuck, V? You are off net. I lose your eyes.
Brigitte and the other guy, are they back?
Who told? Yes, Mama B is awake.
Perfect. Because I gotta talk to her.
And what of Netwatch?
Taken care of.
Look for my people out front.
The district was cut off from the world for several hours, as residents could not connect to the net, local subnets, or comm systems.
Look at the nachos. Oh fuck, I'm getting salsa fork everywhere. Wait, is there corn in here? I've ever seen corn in this salsa. I made some nachos.
Run for the moon. Everything you want under one roof.
We are to take you to Placide.
I'll find out.
Sure. Yes.
Okay. Fine, we're fine. Great driver. I'm definitely going the wrong way. I don't know what I'm doing. This is what happens with Google Maps for me. When there's like a fork in the road, I can never tell which way.
Placide will wait you up this day.
What the fuck you do in the GIM? You were to hack the agent, not cut deal with him.
You gonna pull through?
Best you worry about yourself, not him.
That him? That the scup sucker you sent into the mech dragon's den first?
Tell me what is going on, or I break you open and see myself.
Listen, I didn't turncoat. Didn't pick a side. We made a deal is all. Did what you wanted. Except instead of getting my circuits acid fried, I'm still breathing. That's so damn wrong.
You say you're stupid. Think you more clever than that pig? He bend you over, poke you, and you come back smiling.
I say, we must head under. I do not know what Netwatch plans, but they are not done.
You are worried about agents? Then shoot her in the head. I do not know what they put in her, what corruption is in her system.
You don't know what is in there to begin with, how much it is worth.
I know. I scanned her. Only a normal filthy Ranyan.
Ale, menemunyo na kavoa. Come with me.
You know about the biochip, don't you?
If it is functional, we offer you good price for it.
Biochip's busted. That's why I'm here. Haven't found a single soul capable of getting this thing out of me without scrambling my brain. You commissioned the heist, so I figured you must know something. You've gotta.
How do you know all this? How did you find us?
Evelyn Parker. Name ring a bell?
Ah, the doll. The whore. You found us because she led you to us. She has proved not completely useless after all.
Listen, can you help me or not?
Yes, of course, but not here. We will go to the crypt, where you must give us access to the chip. Once we have the data we need, we will do our best to help you.
Then, after
What
you.
more do they want from me?
You guys sure seem to love this place. But, honestly, you don't give off a strong religious vibe.
We left our gods on Haiti, yet we are strong here without them. This way.
So how come Placide didn't know about the biochip? He didn't recognize it in the scans.
Few of our people know about Kompeki Tower. But Placide, he is... yon bête de bas.
How's she not too warm in that?
Where are we going?
Soon you will see. The Watcher did not notice the biochip in you. Strange. Did you let him scan you?
No? Why?
It would complicate our work.
This an old subway tunnel?
No, part of the transcontinental maglev system. When all states were connected. Like the net, it too crumbled after the war. Vieux et courant.
Tout bagay pare. Nou ka komanse.
Bon,
I don't know if I would trust
we
people.
take you into the cyberspace. No better place for you to interact with the construct.
Okay, hang on. Wanna know what you need Silverhand for first.
We wish to contact Alt Cunningham. We know she and Silverhand were close.
Alt?
The relic which Arasaka held close. It is our only lead.
Alt Cunningham. Heard of her.
Oh. Where? From whom?
From Johnny. Though, granted, not much.
Johnny?
All right, V, guess you better tell her.
Tell her what?
About us.
Construct's active. Lets me and Johnny shoot the shit every now and then.
We will look at this, too.
What, you think I'm hallucinating? Found myself an imaginary friend?
Little is known of how an engram might exist within a human's neural network.
Tell you one thing. Doesn't shake out well for the human. What's your plan to contact Alt?
We try to cut out a unique piece of Silverhand's engram from the biochip. Alt will know it. If something of the human is left after years beyond the Black Wall, she will answer.
Whoa, what? Said nothing about breaking through the Black Wall.
Well, now you know.
Direction connectée.
Connexion stable.
Johnny, looks like you're the bait. You okay with that?
Yeah, whatever. Just do what she says.
What exactly do you want from Alt? All of you.
Alt, the only one, can give us safe passage past the Black Wall. When the change comes, we wish to be on the winning side.
The change?
When the Black Wall was built, Everyone think the ice would be enough. Keep the wild AIs out, away. But technology advances. It cannot be stopped. And now, catastrophe come again. This is sure, and soon. The corporations, they do not see the danger. But we will be ready.
All right.
Let's do this.
Tout le monde qui parle protéger lui.
Léon avec Jean Kiwi.
Okay. What now?
Barré.
Barré plongé.
Where are we?
This is our BBS, data fortress. Bridge to the deep net.
So, what now?
We can begin. All is ready. We enhance your link to Silverhand's neural network for a short time to grab the fragment. We must find the data on Alt. Alt alone. This should only take...
Brigitte?
Dude, that would take forever.
What's happening?
Ew. Hi. Yep. Are you new here? No?
You'll never fade away!
Wow. Cool.
Johnny! The fuck, Holmes? Out of line! Way out! What next? Where are you gonna take it? Gonna drag
Yes, I'm gonna end stream in like at 10 my time, so like 15 minutes.
Silverhand! Oh! Over here!
Yeah, I do when I'm done stream.
Fuck Arasaka! Come here! Come on! Come here!
It's
can't
not
wait.
your pants! Gonna crash, man! For all
You know exactly why I do it.
You still need me to help with the
Piss
third
Arasaka
party
off
view?
enough so they'll give you a case of deep muscle lead poisoning?
Okay, I can do that after too.
You kinda are, though. Only one to have a problem with me.
Cause everyone else has had it up to here. They're done thinking they can get through to you. You're fucking whacked!
But I'm the only one with a vision. So unless you got a better one, like I said, go fuck yourself.
Hey.
Is it the concert or Carrie?
Said you weren't coming tonight. Not if I can help it.
Changed my mind, lover. Look at you, all hot and bothered.
Okay. Where's your beer? Oh. Because my movement was body. Okay. Hmm? Why? What are you gonna do? So you can see them? Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Goodness gracious me.
Mm-hmm.
A damn shame that's that.
What, smoking after sex not zen enough for you? We gotta rewrite the art of war, too?
We're
Did you
done,
just ping them and
Johnny.
shot them?
With it all. I just
Mm-hmm.
couldn't ghost without saying something.
So go on, say it.
You can be such a bastard sometimes, Johnny.
Mm-hmm.
Man, are you on my ass today?
Not just today. How is it subtlety goes so far over your head? Weird for an artist.
No, it's good that you have that, like, in your head what you're doing, though.
Things were swimming. What? Change your mind? Eats at my gut. 'Cause you knew what you were signing up for.
Look, if you were just another charismatic, narcissistic douche canoe running around after his dream with his head up his ass, I couldn't care less.
But?
It's all a lie. That concert, Samurai, all of it. A ginormous fiction.
You're not a rocker boy, Johnny, face it. Ought to join the wired wackos on the corners, frothing at the mouth as they scream death to Arasaka.
I see. Think you've seen through me, do ya?
You know exactly what I mean. Look at you, faking it even to yourself. Huh, probably what you're best at, faking it.
You're afraid. You and Carrie both. Cowards. I alone have the balls to stand up to Arasaka, and boy, that terrifies you. All of you.
Of course, Johnny S. Misunderstood by all Night City. That's it. That's the problem.
Think we're done for the day, so you can fuck off.
See, I thought...
Not another goddamn word, okay? Just shut up, for once.
You're fucking hopeless.
You don't know fuck all about me. This is all we have, all we are. Where you going?
Got somewhere to be.
Silverhand! Hey! Good noise, chum.
Work?
Shoots round when I come undone.
And you?
Can't kill me because there's words. Please away.
Playing again tomorrow.
Down the rebel path.
Yeah, clapping different cheeks.
You could drop by.
Let's get out of here.
Join us for a drop, Silver Rocker.
Another time, Chumbas.
What if there won't be another time? Huh? Johnny boy?
Go, run!
Hey, where do you think you're going?
Fuck off!
Oh, shit. What just happened?
No!
Was that supposed to happen?
Fuck off! Let me alone! Johnny! Let go of me!
That's not as, Doesn't have quite the effect I was thinking.
Really did you, didn't they?
Come on, rise and shine. Been a while, Johnny boy. How long'd you say? 2 weeks since I last cobbled you up?
Where's Alt?
Where's who?
Woman who was with me.
He brought you and you alone.
Fuck, they grabbed her. Nobody saw it?
Ask your savior. Said his name was Thompson.
Arasaka, wasn't it?
It's always Arasaka with you.
'Cause it always is Arasaka.
We gotta talk.
All right. It's spitting glue, but she's holding tight. Get some rest. Even a few hours. Let the stitches set at least.
Uh-huh.
Johnny. Yeah, fuck it. You won't listen anyway.
How much you see?
Not much more than you. They wanted her. You was just home.
And you just stood there, dick in hand, gawking and dreaming of tomorrow.
Would have shredded us both if I jumped in. You see the guy's reflexes? Course not. He was that fast. Tech like that, you don't find in a dumpster.
So, what are you after? Chasing down a story? Fresh for the scream sheets? That why you scraped me up off the pavement?
Nah, had my story. But then some cats tossed her in the back of a van and sped off. You, aim to do something about it? She was your output, wasn't she?
Alt's kidnapping, it's collateral shit. They swiped her to get at me.
You even know what she does for a living? Girl's one of the best runners around.
So, one of how many? No. Only link to Arasaka's the fact that Johnny Silverhand's boning her.
And she's been working for ITS lately. Wrote some real smooth black ice for them. Not to be duped in either sense of the term.
Oh, it's a cool bottle.
Arasaka wants her. Abduction was a standard intercorp extraction. Nothing more.
Okay, so what are they after?
Soul Killer, an AI. Sound familiar at all?
Of course. Urban legend with the shittiest name ever.
It's no legend. Soul Killer's real. And your chumbas at Arasaka just hired the runner who wrote it. Take that in. Sokka with Soul Killer to do with as it pleases. Grim, my man. You even imagine that, Rocker? Arasaka will be unstoppable.
What a steaming load of shit. Let's go.
Okay. What's your take then? I'm all ears.
Oldest, tritest tale in the world. Arasaka was out to provoke me. And it worked. So what'll it be? Coming with?
Where to?
Arasaka Tower. To grab Alt. Right back.
Just you and me? You out of your fucking mind?
Uh-huh. Come along. Let you watch from the sidelines. Seem to like doing that.
I'll be in the car. Can't wait too long, though.
You'll wait as long as you need to.
Lock you in, buddy.
Where the hell's Rogue? Sit. Stay.
Hello? Silverhand, got an IOU here with your autograph on it.
You seen Rogue?
She's upstairs. But I heard you two weren't,
Well, you heard wrong.
Ask the right guy.
Fucking fuck. Johnny, give me a hand here.
Heard you weren't talking to me.
Dunno. Seem to be talking to you.
How about now?
Now you can go fuck yourself.
The hell?
What, you fucking forget who you gave the job to? You're trying to keep all the fucking quiet.
Johnny?
How's things, Engels?
Got a private meet going on in there.
Rogue back there too?
Yeah, just...
Yeah, private meet, so you said. Promised to be super unobtrusive.
God, I hate this fucking town. Johnny.
Don't know you.
That's no problem. Just as long as everyone else knows Johnny Silverhand.
Need your help.
We're waiting for a client. One who values discretion.
You still mad about that thing?
What thing, Johnny? That you fucking lied to my face? Put my peeps on the line? Or that you were fucking 3 other women behind my back before we were through?
I got a job. That's it. Urgent, but I got the euro.
How much?
Butt out. This isn't your biz.
Is now. Rocker just pulled out his wallet.
Don't you get it? He's not here about any damn job. He's fucking with me. Last
So
time
this
he...
time, you'll be smarter. Take your eddies up front. So, how much, Rocker?
It's Arasaka. I'll understand if you'd rather not.
If you wanted my attention, you just earned it. But if you're aiming for a friends and family discount, I'm not your man.
Corpos. Riding in on them hard. You two do that for fun.
For fun, but not for free. We leave that to rocker boys.
It's important. Name your price.
Ah. So you're either made of money, or you think we won't live to collect. Either way, Rocker, you're coming with us.
Deal.
That it is. Urgent indeed.
Shit, Johnny. Didn't notice you had a fucking tail?
Mr. Silverhand, you're coming with us.
Here to take me to Alt? Just like I thought.
You wanna play with me? Come on!
Alright.
Yes, fucking own it! Aren't you Mr. Popular?
Dead, Corpo scum!
Ooh, that was a headshot.
Hey! Leave a little for me!
Keep up the front!
Oh.
Time to end this!
A helo? Is this real? Who'd you piss off this time? Good, good! Keep that up!
Oh shit. Oh!
I'm impressed! Seriously!
Take him from all sides! Affirmative!
Elevator now! Need to blow out of here, and quick! That went well.
Where's the elevator?
Guess you are useful sometimes.
Sons of bitches.
You see those headshots? I was frying.
Elevator, quick! Not even sorry for you.
It's gonna take much longer.
Got trouble in heaps.
There'll be more at the bottom. Bet your thou.
Let's go!
We're parked outside. You coming? Thompson's waiting for me in the car.
Who?
Media, you wouldn't know it.
Woohoo! These freaking headshots, man. Oh, that's alright.
Let's get the hell away.
We'll be right behind you. Got company. On our ass.
Over you. Arasaka! If they hit the car, we're fucked.
Oh.
Dead, Corporal Scum!
Hi, SD. Why can't I shoot this dude?
I have no idea.
You got any souls?
Gotta lose them, quick! Next right, take.
You hanging in?
I think I got a Cronus on this. I'm just getting all these headshots on these dudes.
I'll park somewhere. Chat.
Cronus, you know? Yep. On Cyberpunk. I heard it's the cool thing to do.
All right,
No?
we gotta pull out of Arasaka. Alt Cunningham, net runner from ITS.
I am a loser.
Oh. Yeah.
The tower. What's it taking her there?
This gets better by the minute. How you want to play this? Either of you gonks got a plan?
Yep. Distract him. Make some noise.
Nance.
Yep.
She'll know how to draw a crowd.
No, I'm just
Call
frying them.
her. Set up right under Arasaka's windows and crank it loud. Blast the pains out. It'll be a gig to remember.
Imagine.
We do not as yet have word on the exact number of people hurt in the riots. But our reporters
I got the
are
souls this morning.
Arasaka
Nice.
Tower, and they all agree. A psychoactive agent has been dispersed at the site, affecting those in the crowd.
All right.
Hello.
You recording this whole thing?
Uh-huh. Why? Want to say a few words to the folks at home?
Do what you gotta do.
They can't
Stay
hear you.
out of my way.
What?
Thompson. Know him well?
Who? What? What? What happened?
Don't like the guy? Don't trust him. And medias are bad luck.
What?
Bad luck. Say someone finds a tape later. A tape of us breaking into Arasaka Tower.
Worry about that if we make it out.
Come on, we don't have much time.
I can't save. Fuck. Fuck, I said I can't save right now.
Mainframe.
If I can save now.
Gotta find the mainframe.
Yeah, well, I gotta finish this.
Ready or not, here they come. He has no right to leave!
What now?
Like, who is the person? Like, did they at least stop? No? What the
Ready
fuck
or not, here
face?
they come. Get ready.
Got four in view. Headed this way. Get ready.
Why can't I save this? Why?
I'm impressed! Seriously!
It's not your fault.
Anyone else?
Open fire!
Anyone?
Finish this quick.
No? Hey, set up! Get back!
He's coming for me.
I'm trying to save, but it won't let me while I'm in here. Fucking hate this. Okay. Whatever. Alright, guys, we're gonna raid out here. I wanted to end at like 10. I've been sleeping like crap. Ooh. We have another person. We have another person playing some cyberpunk here. Thank you all for being here. You guys are amazing. Raid 1's for subs, raid 2's for followers. Thank you all for hanging out, seriously. I appreciate it. Good night, Ghost. We'll be back on Wednesday. No, Wednesday I have a concert. I'll probably be here Tuesday to make up for that. Tuesday or Thursday, okay? You guys are awesome. Love you guys too, seriously. I appreciate you all so much. Yeah, come say hi to Predator. He is also playing some cyberpunk. Okay? Good night. Have a good Monday.